A stunning revelation has emerged about the Iran war. According to a report published in the Wall Street Journal, the United Arab Emirates played a much bigger role than previously known, carrying out dozens of coordinated airstrikes on Iranian targets alongside the United States and Israel. Well, the strikes reportedly continued even after a ceasefire was announced, highlighting the UAE's increasingly assertive approach towards regional security and its growing strategic alignment with Washington and Tel Aviv. Now, among the reported targets were Keshm and Musa Islands in the Strait of Hormuz, Bandar Abbas and the Lavan Island oil refinery, and the massive As Al-Uaif petrochemical complex. Before the war, the Gulf nations had publicly stated their airspace and military facilities would not be used for attacks on Tehran. But as the conflict escalated and Tehran launched waves of missiles and drones across the region, several countries reportedly reconsidered their positions. The UAE bore the brunt of Iran's retaliation, with reports claiming that Tehran launched more than 2,800 missiles and drones towards Emirati territory, more than against any other country, including Israel. The UAE's aggressive response also exposed the growing divisions among Gulf powers. According to reports, Saudi Arabia expressed concerns to the US that Emirati strikes they risk provoking further attacks on regional energy infrastructure and destabilizing global oil markets. Riyadh reportedly pushed for diplomatic engagement, while Abu Dhabi favored stronger military action against Tehran. Tensions reportedly grew between UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed and Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, and this over participation in military operations against Iran. The disagreement added to existing rivalries over influence in Yemen, Sudan, and the Red Sea region. Now, beyond military operations, the UAE is said to have targeted Iran's economic interests as well. Authorities reportedly shut down schools and clubs linked to Tehran and imposed stricter visa and transit restrictions on Iranian citizens. According to reports, the UAE also strengthened security cooperation with both the United States and Israel during the conflict. Reports indicate that Israel deployed Iron Dome batteries and military personnel to help defend the UAE during the war. Several senior Israeli officials, including Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and intelligence chiefs, are also said to have made secret visits to the Emirates to coordinate operations against Iran. Iran has repeatedly accused the UAE of actively participating in the US-Israeli military campaign. Now, on the other hand, Emirati officials maintain that Tehran bears the full responsibility for attacks against Gulf nations and the regional stability.